it's about the oral. Kofo brain natural madrin. Now, former director of the Ghana School of Law, Kweku Ansah say, was say you dissolve oral no immediately, or no brand, as a witch hunting concept, a bit to threaten the country's peace and stability. On that same score, I've read, say, Professor Asari, and also say no, Ebeyanka oral no, and Kwaswana, Kweku Ansah. Or say entwas UK-based Ghanaian legal scholar Professor Kweku Asari do nanim as Kweku Ansah or say on the enka sa ora no enye permanent or monitor corruption, you know, name to mean two corruption as in Ghana na or ye post both social media no kasa yenhwe mean starting from ora no we no memo just 5 minutes on it na
me trying to na me de nka na ma menya no am say eda no a yetoto ye nua pani Dr. Ayini Anono
yeah
me menye lawyer but ye nya ye kan but omo timbra no a chechiri mu na even on the face value no kra no ye BBF no citizen arrest nti me si abontin sisi na me hwese bi obi gina obi ka ho na me hu ni ye na me wo me ai na metumi abom pinche nipa na me bitumi ye bold na bisa nyama na me hwe na so I say o person break into nipa na na metumi che no. I think that is the import of the aura. Okay. This should not be a matter we have to waste so much
but
time.
Other people argue say we have the EOCO and we have other state institutions like the special prosecutor who are clothed with the authority. Between a year, Jumaya or for a year, until there's no need for you to create para state.
When there's a change of government within, let's say sometimes even within first quarter, because President Mills I think the first quarter some DCs were still at post.
Yeah.
What is the danger? If we obi or man ho adwempa na or ye nyoma ye na say obi in the books me ya when you go a lot of things will be hidden, and that is why sometimes omode in tampana e de ye nyoma bi se na ebe ya ometumi ayi nkrofo bia cause some key institutions now I share how ometumi agada offense and say protect the place for their own purpose and their perceptions e be omo one identity no. Yoko at this very point in time, we share the time or years or I'm not sure President-elect would have directed Yoko say, please quickly go around and make sure say so be say no. I'm not sure he would have been able to do that. Inti a citizen approach. For instance, those of us that work in the CSO environment, say you corner compare based on what research you are doing. Nasa open information na wo copy no. Wo copy the idea. Does the constitution gives you or will say maba ho me pay a certain information. By force or say all this information no mame. It's not by force. Wo pa and all the ba mame. Nti dia mo ye ne say ye nhwehwemu. Bia yesusu say minua wo te Adom hei ebia laptop yi enya wo dia we pagya wo de ko nti ye ba na ya hwese indeed no kre say laptop no pagya wo de ko ana se wo pagya na wo mfa nko ya no bonus we ne de wo he nti ye nhwehwem no ma ye ne clear. And I think I listened to a friend say Owura Domlevo fantastically ochechemu come on, they are only gathering information data nti say bia wo call Ministry of Finance na ebia information bi say bibia ko touch mo baby and say bibia ko small baby na say wo call na ko say no crazy wo ho a you only go if you get it fine, if you don't get it fine. Until we shouldn't make I to say your friend say sledgehammer yedi kum in tatia kitwe bi no. We should just be calm. Na yenhwe whether it is legal or not legal, it has been explained. Let's look at the work and then the finality. As I say, we do adwuma no ma yoko on mandate. Say some do ma CID for omo mandate, so do NIB omo mandate na e de amom. Say na ye ntumi mbu o man no. Say ye we mu no. And then sometimes if you are a president, na wanye focus it takes your attention and you will be focusing on the minor, whilst the major is what is deteriorating.
Okay. Aka Nyame Isaac on Facebook say, or you should first word be no mean you should. Also, so if EC has failed something, meaning they should allow supporters to kill themselves, can we be ashamed of ourselves on the way we do politics? Aka Nyame Isaac, Nadia Watchro on Facebook. Also, kwa share Adom TV. Najao comment no or ujao comment ebe share afane yakan emobia so etumi atibi remember about so all around no a lot of people have discussed I mean looking at how our more they see it as intimidation whilst any grounded in law. How do we deal with it?
Just after the election.
Only say minority in parliament former appointees and say you invite to Menko. Yeah.
Just after the elections, Brother Penny, ultimately also Ora no cry anya more popularity, and I say anya way more than even the main policy, the 24-hour economic policy NDC for the winning elections. No, but you see, near more minority ni MPP for a year about this whole Ora thing. It's just like motika mua. Sebi yes you be inframa kafra na onu yakro bi de wapaja nansa na so yanya minima inframa no ni MPP for no yes you obi inframa boni wo ka mu na wo wapaja wonsa yanya minima inframa no. The fact of the issue no say adentina I was see this particular committee o mampenia for me a problem even a topic for discussion say either say a legal basis and I see any be and a legal ground say I there for me and I see any be. I am one say ye nuano move free MPP ni minority for AS animal. And I me bra penny di kan no. See the only thing na ora na ye and I say they are gathering information and data. Fair enough, we may have institutions who are grounded by law. I was your say about corruption issues. But that does not also cease the president from also creating a committee and as BB say obi our evidence be a etia say be obi no emfa nko no mo nhwe mo enye bibi. As I speak to you, the last time when I meet the chairman, Ora chairman, what he told me was even MPP for nankasa any information do one heading ebro MPP for nankasa any information do one eba. Domelovo was on Joy News, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? Or can you see the bank? Even as at now, information is head as well then head as over. Some questions are maybe beside I'm gonna say and normally you see send your friend Yoko or special prosecutor or na the adena informations we are this oral group, you know, nipa and a bit me out to an among the idea. So the president has set up an avenue as Sebi. It will make it more easier for the people to relate in terms of report. And in Nanche, most of the corruption cases and scandals I see and lootings I see in the previous government, especially in the previous government.
Okay,
most of them
once it's not proved, you know, you use alleged.
Alleged,
yes, yeah.
In the previous government, and now come most of them may be hearsay.
Okay.
Evidence behind it. This particular oral will even help to prove that. So with the information about and how my report be, what the report called oral. So when you mubia, I was say wow, what the asamana wow alleged. Ubo monument me feather. In this oral for the you know so was some crown engine and need engine so papa bia omujamo. So the only thing oral they are even making the work of the state institutions now more corruption cases more easier. Because what we heard, they say, after gathering this information, they will now take it to the appropriate cortex. Say, oh, the Ebeko Attorney General, Eko, the Ebeko Yoku, Eko, the Ebeko, even special prosecutor, Mangaza Mote, a Bibeko,
so omunye hwehwemu with the evidences I said be omoma yede omatimi agada. And I don't see the reason why our MPP for at the time will come and be shouting as in there is a problem whilst there is none. Because as we speak, as we speak, I don't think and Oma invite you. Have the ORA invited anybody?
No, they haven't.
No. So what brings that debate?
Menek Pebukasa, I will say that will be the second phase of the work they will do. But okay, I say no more explanation business, more appointed Attorney General, the oral committee will cease. And when the oral was formed, the interaction there said when the Attorney General is appointed.
Then sorry to say I didn't hear that.
Okay.
Because the fact of the matter is say omo gather information. No movie omo the amount the appropriate context for investigation to take place. Indeed, based on the information omo and omo the bema. Nia was your money, nia was your mama, no money. But say nia waka say yes ye Attorney General pena ora no as zibi and I say omo functions na dey every and man say. Okay. I didn't hear that. I need to be truthful on that. Say man tia no. And the end can say ora na enya ade a e wo se ebo obi ehu. Enya ade a e wo se ya I don't think say ora no enye wood lamps na asasa to ho. Ana enye military men and the idea was say omunfantuom begina also enye obibi. No.
But once some of them are getting appointment, no, it affected the work of the oral because you know say COP and Nathan Kofi Boachi was a member of the oral team. Yeah, appointed to be the director of operations at the presidency in charge of security.
And effective rapidly. Okay. The only thing is oral and gather information. And information we omo gather we are omo the appropriate context for investigations. Okay. I don't think the oral has that right to enter into investigations. No. And say omo investigative will be based on corruption issue. No. Okay. Enti say Kofi Boachi national security was our hana and effective. Okay. So just after gathering the information, and I want to draw attention to something. So we'll check Ghana web. Friday 18 July 2003 2003 Oma capture bibi almost for established office of accountability it is a work relevance portion no any
yeah I know of that
almost has established an office of accountability under the office of the president. A statement signed by the chief of staff Mr. Kwadwo Mpiani said on Friday. The statement said, Mrs. Florence Asia, an expert in consumer economics and public policy, will chair the three-member office. Other members are Professor Yao Tumasi, a political scientist, and Alhaji Sumaila Abdullah Wahab, Chief Executive of Muslim Relief Association. It is a OSHA. There have been almost similar committee that have been formed by Omen Penikufor in the year 2003.
Medase.
And 2003, so there's this legal basis now. The idea doesn't come in.
So,
yeah.
Oral.
As the lectures in it, say to report is an operation. It's not report.
Operation.
Recover all loots. Fine. And as they are using the word Ombe gather, the gathering that I'm seeing here and say send you can say for and also before and put a report to say like information yes I say desk PR information is back to them, then they gather all this information with regards to now almost media appropriate quarters, and when you're talking about the appropriate quarters, and these constitutional bodies and statute created bodies, is a Yoko Nesa, Shrag, Miss Anima, but much my investigation. But in the situation, Abia Ubenyasa Oral Group in as part of their operations, one will call some offices, pictures, and not just computers, machines, any books, just as Katanu Boom, Martin and Casa no to now move if you mean the mates be no more in the seniors be school now just like they are sorting doctors. I don't say Sanka Yeti way your decks in here. Nanka be a Wallace oh say or has say near actual not just a gather information in wrongdoings in an area command but yeah nipa 57 said you yakto a been one kind of one said yeah cause here kase bia wala so officer bi esi wo ho and na bi ko so bone wo ho na ya sa boys ni akọ hwe ni ko demo ni arasa na je say no na mame eni ni yewra koku ansansare e kan ye no eye adwene say e ba ne sa na ko akoye ti say witch hunting utie ni kasa na one can possibly say eye witch hunting no o say senior de ono hu ni say I say witch hunting because utimi hu say ye wo ebinim a ye tuo ye ni esi wo mo so a tell you oral no ejumedie na mo operations na e ko mo so bakasa na me kan ye say operation recover all it say information in bad desk no so a omo gada na mo dey come appropriate bodies na enim say emra tie wo mo chi a mo di wo mo juma I don't know why would I cry over that such an exercise say utiwa na yoko and I say bia OSP office na ya ton safro say this o say which chanting what is which chanting about this omo na say bio statute any constitution I say wo mutimi tu sa na mo to tu na wa ton safro na say ya ana wa ba office on be preliminary aba office na say ye check in bia o ti ase because omo no tu me nation say emra and support omo creation okay. But hana emra support wo omo no e hona make us say me ne ye papa about tie the other Kweku apparently no so yeah asare Kweku asare yeah Kweku asare no ono so kire say there is nothing wrong with it na nka say well maybe they might explain the entire me force I support area Kweku asare say sa hono kakra to me kakra na say omo arrogate am omo hono omo dey here anyway say they are going ultra virus they was omo here now let's put that aside yen hwa dey bi looting ya mayen any your friend is confinement be as within this period within that period they say operation recover all loot say all loot be loot is that not it it is the bad as this Fourth Republic dispensation crap on the then we need to look at loots from somewhere I hope you get me right because you can't record as a human institution not loots if as a 4 consecutive ABR administrations are loots will occur within only one administration. No, it will. You definitely have elements, and if you have to do, you should do it that way. So, not say which hunting na yera Kweku answer ya kano. Not may read this meaning, you know, into the exercise that is going on now. All the say no, either say they serve as a desk. A man for Udemu report. Udu be a report be fabra. Omo the bar. Then they will push those things through. And no crap. I feel like. Even those constitutionally and statute created bodies normal yes human they also have their a year okwa waiting akwa I report to Amasa so I don't see the creation why this but said your company abanos also okay o creative we say obi person dem right dey say na statute ben creative is idea way constitutional provision ben ma so no can be using citizen arrest
yeah
so arrest when you what information and gathering information
but me what dem try no but onim say even Yoko CID NIB na dey nyina no sometimes they don't work in isolation
Chimo anything make say anka woman no ade si wo sere so na omo ya sene mampeni using his executive powers it mean directly the IGP so on you ni CID says no mutimi enhwe issues be to 8 people be who you say ni say sponsor to me no 2 years sure mampeni are directed to the next sub police issue law backing body see say mo hwe na say ni say we just anka on be transfer look for money
unim say the moment the national security outfit launch see something say something no it gave citizens a different feeling of reporting even wrongs and I say it's similar to this
see something say something does not say we are individual see cause I see what see something say gonna coca and no one dey make you the body ni wo ho body na constitutional and statute accredited omo wo tell no one say hu a Konako report mo see so anka I was sad in the shemu ke na say see something say something no ebia mabami your man penin sad dey ni ye gina sad dey no so but so we ye be mo policy ye e sense of back on a credit assistance ebia we person be ride on that horse I agree but me try say if you try when no person use so Omo G information na. Udi omo fan come omo asebio
that is what they are saying. After
and I mean, just see, I don't know what is going on.
No,
that is what I'm telling you. Say you will see some institutions, maybe you are well, I was trying to. I was trying to retrieve that pictures now.
Video.
Obi this video for pictures. Out to me seniors be school, me junior, me classmates, and there's some senior lawyer. Omuka we know
they are
friends
ransacking a place and all.
The corner, opinion of D and you na to hold chair. Say be all share.
But didn't be why.
Me see opinion now share chair.
Na unim so your penny, so be chair. No chair.
Oh chair.
Uhunu
see, upa move. Na me nya na me hwe na edu mi so frame. Upa move na me hwe photo baba. What about to say over to? What me I say? I'm telling the truth.
Na umu for penny because around me ba around no ye wo me ba.
Penny ba go pe na checha wo.
Ye wo Samuel Okujuto Ablakwa, or chairman. Daniel Domlevo, former Auditor General. COP retired Nathaniel Kofi Boache. Martin Pebu, private legal practitioner. Raymond Acha, investigative journalist. Why not know Shecheno?
Me see opening back on Esheche. Omo mu jino no e penny wo. Ya mo kan young guys. Ono e penny, so penny Sheche wo. Ono kutua.
Or your oral team.
Me see oral team.
My body
no, oral team, no, don't be mistaken no. So because in my submission me can say and sometimes omo young guys are that is what I'm saying. Yes. How do you get me right? Yeah. So that is what I thought you were going to. Okay, then I'm to ask you. Once I'm talking about doing research, I will show you. I want you to put it on your screen. Okay. So let me go ahead. Until the American, if Ekobani say body no, though unconstitutional, the name statute to back it. That the formation of that body, but before say, Omojuma, eso omoyen, omani ye you what it is a no crap wa, and come with the Omon Gada, and some of the Omo Gada. Tinyes woman on the call Ransakia, no, and nothing in my year of Coco and Sansari, Case, witch hunting, because a particular group of people are here call so. Me, look, I always say, I don't have a problem. Your manager padeni ebomba. The same panel, all my man yokomu, or your penny them man yokomu, or in the former administration, I said, Bibi or Yanko year. Say, or mine say, or call after him. Now, the right thing should be done, and the wrong should be made right here. I don't have a problem because on many year but I'm looking at the say, modus operandi, a point almost fast to be operating, and said your man fast at you can say, because how say, on my penny, I can't say, so we group we motion and motion, now. Obi be sorry can say mamutie sa for number mo chama because of the way operate is saying and how
I think
Mamenko about for a minute now about doctor
because a new thing
the fact of the matter is if Obi nti ora asem you can still go to court and make sure say you best stop no akwanya nda ho say court ho obetimi akone ya akwa stop no sabi as man me person me bisa no say why should this oral formation cry disturb you say woni me say one fa aban bibia and was say how because recently I don't know whether you listen to Martin Pebu was it NIB director AJ property be in his name unlawfully what the aba wa return it yes Sylvester Mensah former MP former deputy information minister, where former MP for English man from Haya, and also Edgy Asasi bi. I nyane de nyamra kwan so ono so de aba. This
or the Abasa or no one say in fact or you heard him say that.
No. As a make that is what we have heard.
And so
that make I say first information by the NIB one was said by Martin Pebu. Alleged. Okay, no problem.
There
was a counter.
That's why I make I say once it's not proven now.
And this also on Saka Abaya Japadi and I said Sebi. We feel say the aura and the M1 and also the other. What the Abani money and ya she made it. There's reason our can say Omako institution be on way in patcho. Maybe sometimes no say information me ba. That's it was your follow up because heavy beer. And the punch say they are trying to ransack the place or whatsoever. Say no more go heavy keke. No ma say ako.
Mate. Yo me that's.
And no more they are just going there to confirm what the exact thing they have heard.
Thank you.